Have you ever had an old-fashioned honeycomb cake? Let me tell you, in the words of my husband, it's so good it'll make your tongue slap your brains out. So super simple to make. Okay, first of all, while I have my oven on 350, I'm going to spray my pan. Then I'm going to set it aside. I have a big bowl. I have a yellow cake mix. And guys, you know I gotta have at least 1 or 2 bloopers in every one. You'll think there's something wrong if I didn't. Okay, now this is where the difference is going to start. I'm not following the directions on the cake mix, other than the temperature and the baking amount. What we're going to do is I have prepared a box of Jell-O. This is the cook and serve, not the instant. I was told by the lady who gave me this recipe, it has to be the cook and serve for it to turn out good. So I'm just passing that along, and hers was amazing. Thanks, Benita. Okay. So I've already cooked this and let it cool just a little bit. So I'm going to pour my vanilla pudding into my cake mix. Set that aside. We're just going to stir this until it's combined. This is about the texture of the normal cake mix, just a little bit thicker, but that's going to be fine. As you can see, this is coming together really fast. Grab a spatula and we'll get out of here and get it spread out. Okay, I have the spatula, and let's just put this in here. This smells so good. As you can tell, the way it comes out, it is just a little thicker. Okay, we're just going to spread this on the bottom. Have you guys ever had a cake like this? If you have, let me know in the comments. Okay, the next step in this process is I have a full bag, 11 ounce of butterscotch chips. We're just going to spread them all over the top. And folks, that's it for ingredients. I'm going to put it in my preheated 350 degree oven. I'm going to check it at about 25 minutes. And somewhere, depending on your oven, between 25 and 30 minutes, it's going to be done. Okay. I took our cake out after about 30 minutes in the oven. I've let it sit for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. Don't this look amazing? Let me tell you, it smells, oh my God, so good. I gotta get a taste test on this, guys. It kind of reminds you of an ooey gooey butter cake with butterscotch on top. If you've never had one of those, then you definitely need to try an ooey gooey cake. Anyway, guys, the old-fashioned honeycomb cake. Hope you liked the video. Share it with your friends. Follow me on all my social media. and I'll see you all on that next video.